Welcome teachers. Today in this demo, you're going to learn how to make an assignment and how to evaluate an assignment. So go to your school's portal, log in with your username and password. Click on open in a new tab. Then click on learn press. Then click on courses. Now let's say I want to give a quiz to this class 10 science course. So I'm clicking on edit. So I've already created a couple assignments. Now I'll create a new one. So first select on the assignment icon. Then say bio assignment. So once you have created an assignment, click on edit item. Then write your assignment. Say I'm writing kindly write types bacteria in Word and upload. I'm giving an option. Let's say Word, image, drawing, and upload. Okay. So in case if you want the students to refer to a particular format in case of a lengthy assignment, you can add it over here in attachments and write an intro over here, like kindly refer to the above format as an example. Or if you want to add images, you can add it over here. If you want to add a document where you have specified the whole assignment, you can add it from here. You can go to add document and you can upload the document over here. Now going to the settings part. So this is by default the duration is 3 days. You can keep it to minutes, hours, days or weeks according to the teacher. In case the teacher wants to let's say have an instant assignment or instant descriptive exam, she can do this by using the assignment module. Just set it in minutes. The same way, if you want to do it in hours, you want the student to complete by the end of the day, you can set it for days and weeks. So if you have giving more time to a student, it's a lengthy assignment, they can complete it step by step as well. And marks, so right now I've set it for 10 marks, and this is the passing grade. 5 is the passing grade. You can set the marks you want, and the passing grade is minimum required for passing it. So retake, in case a student is not able to submit on time, or maybe doesn't score well in the assignment section, then you can give them an option of retake, so they can once more submit that assignment. The teacher also can control how many files the student can upload. So right now it's one. You can give them option of 2 or 3 if needed. What type of files they can upload, so it can be an image, it can be a PDF, doc, document, PPT, anything. So size limit is by right now it's 10 MB for every assignment. So that also a teacher can set. So right now I'm setting, let's say, 5 MB. Once you have completed constructing the assignment, click on update. Teachers, kindly remember that every time you have to update whenever you edit a particular lesson, quiz or assignment. If you don't update, then the changes might be lost. So let's say now we have created one assignment. So now we have created an assignment, and after a few days, maybe once the students have uploaded, you want to check the assignment or you want to evaluate those assignments. So how to evaluate those? Now I'm going to show how to evaluate a particular assignment. So go to your school's portal, then again log in with your username and password. So click on open in a new tab. Then go to learn press and click on assignments. So I'll be able to see how many students have attended the assignments, how much is the mark, the grade, and the duration I've given for that particular assignment. So now let's say I've given the biology assignment. I can see one student has attempted it, and now I want to evaluate it. So there's some under actions, click on view. So now I'm able to see that particular student has submitted it, but it's not yet evaluated. So the status is not evaluate. Now I'll go to actions. I'll go to evaluate. Able to see the evaluate form. So now I can see the student has written kindly check the attached document. So now I'm clicking on the attachment file. So that's the bacteria of different shapes. So this is the assignment is complete. So now I can, once I've evaluated it, now I'll give, let's say I'm giving 8 marks. And as I, instructor note is basically your teacher's remark. In case the student doesn't perform well, you can write a small note over here. In case you want to give them a thumbs up or a good effort, I'm writing over here as good effort. So this is your teacher's remark. This will be reflected in the result section of the student. In case if you want to add a document again, you can add it over here. And once you have completed the evaluation, click on save. So once you have clicked on save, then click on evaluate. So now the evaluation has been done. In case if a teacher has not evaluated correctly and wants to go back and re-evaluate, then you can re-evaluate it as well. So again, I'm going to LearnPress assignments. If I want to check the status, if it's updated as evaluated, you can check that as well. See, now the status is showing as evaluated, as you have evaluated how much marks and the result is well. So over here you also have, you can reset the result. You can send the evaluated mail to the particular student as well. So I guess we have covered how to make an assignment and how to evaluate an assignment. Thank you.